Guava. In both guava also has a C vitamin. Are there? Pineapple and watermelon is a vitamin of. Doctor, what the poem lower Telugu poem?
Hey, Lasya.
Do you know? Tangi Garagara, Tangi Peace. What is that fruit? What is that fruit? Beans are also very important to the blood purification of blood. Vitamin B for purification. Vitamins always avoid the diseases. Not only strength, we give the avoid the diseases. You should take more foods. You improve your health. You improve your health. Clear? B, C, all the vitamins are very essential to our body. It's enough. Now we am telling about the good fruit item by the preparation of the fruits. What is that salad? Do you know salad? What's the importance of salad? It is very tasteless and very delicious to the children. We take all the fruits and clean it with fresh water. After cut it small pieces. Take a milk, a cup of milk. Yes?
Keep long time.
Take 1 cup of milk. Add all the fruits on it and pour with the custard powder water and take it in a cup with ice cream. It is very delicious. And it is very important to our body. As in fruits, the fiber is very present in fruits. So you need to increase fruits with a not only prepare like a juices prepare cheskodu. Fiber food is very essential to our body for the roughage. మనకి రోజు బయటికి మనకి తిన్న ఫుడ్ అంతా బయటికి రావాలంటే ఫైబర్ ఉండాలి కదా బాడీలో. మీరు ఫ్రూట్ ఎక్కువగా తీసుకుంటే కాన్స్టిపేషన్ కడుపున నొప్పి చిన్నప్పుడు వస్తుంది కదా, అవన్నీ ఉండకుండా ఉండాలంటే మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? Daily you take 1 fruit, either the C vitamin or D vitamin or B12, whatever it may be. So it will be the fiber. Fiber అంటే ఏంటి? పీచు. మీరు తిన్నారా ఎప్పుడైనా? తేగలు తిన్నారా? తేగ తిన్నారా? తేగలు. బత్తాయి పండు తిన్నారా? తినేటప్పుడు పైన తొక్కులాగా పీచులాగా వస్తుంది కదా, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫైబర్. ఫైబర్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎసెన్షియల్ టు అవర్ డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్. మన డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్ చాలా బాగా అరగాలంటే ఒక రకాల కూరలు తింటాం కదా, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, so many types of food, eating daily food. At the time you take 1 fruit daily. It very to solve the constipation. మీకు ఉన్న పొట్టలో ఉన్న ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా తగ్గిపోతాయి. So all of you prepare weekly once. What salads after daily take vitamin తప్పకుండా C vitamin తీసుకోవాలి. అందుకని రేగి పండు, మామిడి పండు, ఉసిరికాయలు మస్ట్ చూడు. ఎండిపోయిన మామిడి ఉసిరికాయ ఒకటి తింటే మీకు దురదలు అలాంటివి రాకుండా ఉండాలి కదా, మట్టిలో ఆడుకుంటారు కదా. సో ఆమ్లా ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎసెన్షియల్ టు అవర్ లోపల. ఎప్పుడైనా నోరు పోటంతా విన్నారా మీరు? ఎప్పుడైనా నోరంతా పూచిపోయినట్టు ఉంటుంది కదా, అట్ టైమ్ యూ టేక్ 1 ఆమ్లా, ఈట్ ఇట్. అది ఏ మందు వాడకుండా మీకు లోపల ఉన్న నోట్ డిసీజెస్ అన్నా ఉండి కూడా తగ్గిపోతాయి. సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ టేక్ కేర్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, టేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్రూట్స్. మీరు ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు? మీకు కేర్, మీరు ఫ్రూట్స్ ఎంత తీసుకుంటే అంత మీరు కేర్ తీసుకోండి బాడీ గురించి. ఓకే,
నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి. ఇంకా
నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీబడీ
మీరు తీసుకోండి. రైమ్స్.
Are you listen or not? How many good things Umayandis was told, isn't it? చాలా గుడ్ గాని చెప్పారు కదా, గుడ్ థింగ్స్, చాలా గుడ్ థింగ్స్ చెప్పారు మేడం. So you can prepare fruit salads at your house. Those are very available. Those fruits are very available. Pomegranate, guava, papaya, banana, those all are available in your houses now, isn't it? These all are available. ఇవన్నీ దొరుకుతాయి కదా మీకు, isn't it? Say yes or no? Yes. So prepare fruit salads and take 1 fruit after meals every day. That keeps our health good. Okay, in good condition. Take a fruit after meal. మనం భోజనం చేసిన తర్వాత if you take any fruit nana, not only papaya and pomegranate, apple, not only those fruits, any fruit. Guava is very available fruit and it is very vitaminable fruit. 2 guavas is equals to 1 apple. 1 guava is equals to 2 apples, Nana. If you eat 1 guava, you can get the energy of 2 apples. If you eat 1 guava, you can get the energy of 2 apples. Isn't it? 1 guava tinte 2 apples energy ochindi.
Not only that, if any in your houses have any old persons, you suggest to give the one guava to that person. హార్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏదైనా సరే మీరు గోవా తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళకి తగ్గిపోతుంది.
రికార్డింగ్ లో ఉంది.
సో హార్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం మీ ఇంట్లో ఎవరైనా ఉంటే తప్పకుండా గోవా
So suggest your grandma, grandpa, those all persons. Why? Because guava is very available fruit. In my house also guava tree is there. Is anybody have guava tree in your houses? And in your houses? Oh, so suggest your parents eat guava after meals every day. Okay? Now the speech is by 3rd class children. They are prepared. Okay? Now we have to listen that. Come Nana.
Turn that side.
Good morning all. My name is Renuka. I am studying 3rd class. My name is Uma Verumalika and I am studying 3rd class. First of all, we are wishing you happy new day. Now we are going to wish you talk about fruits. Fruits are very essential for everyone because they have lots of vitamins, so they keep us healthy. Eating fruits every day after meals is very good habit. Some fruits improves our blood. Percent means some are purifies our blood. Some angles eat fruits and live healthily.
Claps all of you. Take those 4 points. 4 points. Did you count it not? Did you count? Count chesara. Did you count? First point. Fruits are very essential for everyone. Chala important. Fruits are very important. Fruits are important than our food, you know. Fruits are better than our rice. Fibers and vitamins, blood purification, so many contains. And some fruits are purify our blood, and some fruits are improves our blood. For example, pomegranate banana. Pomegranate improves our blood so much. It contains so much vitamins which are used for improve our blood. And third point, take a fruit after meal every day. Take a fruit, and then you have to eat fruit after meal every day, not before meal. Okay? Meal means our lunch, supper. Those are called meals, anamata. Manam bhojanam chestam kada. You're eating our lunch and dinners. Those are called meals, anamata. What name antam? Meals antam. So eat a fruit after meals every day. So that is a very good habit. What? What good habit? Say loudly. What is that? Is it good habit or bad habit? How many are agreeing with me? Eating fruits is a good habit. Raise your hands. How many are agreeing with me?
All of you.
How many are agreeing with me? Huh? Raise your hands. I am agreeing with me only. Saudina, you are not agreeing with me? Huh? And you Karthik, you are not agreeing with me? Raise all your hands. Everybody should agree that. Why? Because fruits are very essential for everybody. Okay? For elders, youngers, everybody eat fruits and live healthily. Claps to them, everybody. Once again.
Thank you.
Say welcome.
Anybody have sugar or BP levels is there? All are telling don't take any fruit. No, it is very essential to the BP and sugar person. Why? Because it has general fruit, natural glucose. Fruits lo manaki natural glucose ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి it is not any.
Okay, sit down everybody. I want to complete this fruits day silently.
काट रहा है।
Got it? Do you want to eat fruit salad? Say loudly. Say yes. Do you want to eat fruit salad? Oh, me too also. I am also eagerly waiting for the fruit salad, which was going to prepare by Uma Devi ma'am. Okay now? Socks and things.
What the? If you have the cover of the fruit, don't wash it. Don't wash it. Learn one.
నేర్చుకున్నారా? నేర్చుకున్నారా?
Socks ఉందా? అది తెచ్చాను.
గౌస్ ఏడుస్తున్నాడు ఇందాక నుంచి తీసుకెళ్ళి.
నేను తెచ్చాను.
ఫ్రూట్ ఇచ్చే ఏ ఫ్రూట్ ఆడికి అది ఇచ్చే మీరు గువా ఇచ్చే
గువా. Say గువా. Custard apple. Banana. Banana.
నఫీస్ సిడా
You love banana.
వాటర్మెలన్ వేయగలరా
ఏంటది రెండు కష్టాలు వేస్తారు? Can you carry it?
చెర్రీస్ పొమగ్రనేట్ ఇంకా పొమగ్రనేట్
ఇంకా లేవు. పెద్ద పుచ్చకాయ తేలేదు పడిపోద్ది పిల్ల.
సిడా సేక్ హర్ష విలియం
ఏయ్. ఇటు సైడ్గా నుండి ఇటు సైడ్గా ఉంటారు వినతుడిని.
Goa, 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 Goa is green.
Come again, come again.
Goa, 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 Goa is green.
Or say all of you.
Goa, 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 Goa is green.
Wow, Goa color is green, huh? Green, huh? Say yes or no? Yes. Wow. One pretty girl is come here. What's her name? What's her name, Nana? Jyoti.
Jyoti.
Okay, what you are going about to tell? Banana. Oh, you tagged banana also. Okay, okay.
Sandhya once stopped and wished the sir and madam. All of you wish stand up.
Stand up, everybody. Stand up. Sir and ma'am,
Sir and madam. Sit down all of you.
కూర్చోండి.
Sit down.
Say thank you. Sit down.
Wish you happy Fruits Day.
गुड मॉर्निंग हमारे
హ్యాపీ ఫ్రూట్స్ డే చెప్పండి.
Say all of you wish Madam and Sir Happy Fruits Day. Come again. Okay.
Carry on the program.
Okay. Sit down, all of you. Please take your seats. Okay, the little children who are pretty stood before us. They are going to sing songs, Nana, about fruits and stuff. So listen carefully. Okay, Nana, come. First of all, what's your name, Nana? What's your name? Radha Sai Monica. Your name is very beautiful like you. Nina is a beautiful name. Okay, which fruit you are going to tell about? Okay, say.
Goa, Goa, Goa is green.
Okay, sing along with Name is also very nice like her. Okay, tell. Which class you are studying?
I am studying UKG.
UKG, Nana. She is studying UKG. Such a small girl she was. She is going to sing a song about fruits, Nana.
Watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon is green.
Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon is green. But inside its color is red. Inside color? Red. Okay, come again. Sing along with her.
Watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon is green.
Oh, watermelon is green. Wow, it's very juicy, no? Thanks all of you. The king of the school is a very small, tiny boy. What's his name? I'm very eager to wait to know his name. What's your name?
My name is Prabhu Teja. Say loudly, mine. Prabhu Teja.
Can you hear?
Say loudly.
What's his name?
Prabhu Teja.
Prabhu Tej. Like Ravi Tej. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which fruit is this?
Hey, akada loudly.
Loudly. Say
Say
loudly.
Yellow. Say
Actually, he's very little boy now. That's why he can't speak properly. But you have to appreciate him. Very nice. Say again. I want to listen about again banana. Okay? Say very good. Another pretty girl is came here. She's in Indian culture dress. Okay?
అండి అయిపోతుంది పక్క వచ్చేసండి పక్క తీసేసండి
What's your name?
My name is Jyoti.
How rhythm? She's speaking rhythmly. Very good.
Banana, banana. Banana is yellow.
Yellow. Banana is yellow. Show your foot. She had one banana also. Say again.
Banana, banana. Is yellow.
Very good. Claps. Wow. Another king is named here, Nana. Another king. What's his name? Say loudly. గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
my name is Sai Teja.
My name is Sanjay.
Can you hear? Calm down.
Sai Teja.
అక్కడ పెట్టారు
Papaya Teja. Papaya yellow.
Yellow.
Come again. Very good.
Papaya
Papaya
is yellow.
is yellow.
Very good.
He presented me papaya. He gave me papaya. I'm keeping inside. Okay. What's your name?
My name is
Her name is Kirti. Okay. She bought one apple. So she is going to sing about apple. I know. Okay. Say loudly.
apple apple.
Red. Very good. Apple color is red. Very good. Clap. What's your name?
Manu.
My name is Manu.
My name is Manu.
Okay, your name is Manu. Okay, which fruit it was?
Custard apple, custard apple. Custard apple is green.
Okay, sing. What's the song? What the song? Sing again, Manu. Again.
Custard apple, custard apple. Custard apple is green.
Green. Custard apple is green. And the seeds color is? Green. The seeds color is black.
నెక్స్ట్ చెర్రీ అయిన తర్వాత కస్టర్డ్
Okay, Nana, you're looking so pretty. What's your name?
My name is Shoshasri.
Very good. Her name is Sushasri.
చెర్రీ
अभी आल बकरा
అదిగో ఏయ్ ఏయ్
Cherries is red.
Cherries is red. Okay, sing along.
Cherries red.
Cherries color is red. What is this? Cherries. In color is red. Okay, claps all of you. One, the boy is came. Who is in white and black shirt? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Saitanya.
Very good, Nana. What's your name again?
My name is Saitanya.
Which class you are studying?
I am studying LKG.
Very good. You have to clap together. You have to give claps. Very nice. Okay. Which fruit about you talking about?
Custard apple is green.
Custard apple.
Green.
Custard apple color is?
Green.
Oh, custard apple color anta. What are these, Nana? Say loudly. Oh, these are cherries. Do you like this? These are sour in taste, no? Pullaga untai kada? No, how does taste? Cherries taste is very sour, no? Very bitter, no? చేదుగా ఉంటాయి కదా? What? They are sweet like nectar. తేనెలా హనీలా ఉంటాయి కదా? Those are very taste. Okay, these are cherries. What are those? Cherries. These are available in your bakeries. Got it? Okay, next. What's your name?
My name is Lakshmi Vaishnavi.
Lakshmi Vaishnavi. She's looking like modern Lakshmi, isn't it? Okay. Which class you are studying?
I am studying first class.
She's studying first class. Okay. Her name is Lakshmi Vaishnavi. Okay. Which fruit about you talking?
Pomegranate is red.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate is red.
Pomegranate is red. Sing along with her.
Pomegranate is red.
Again.
Pomegranate is red.
Say loudly. I can't hear the rhythm.
Pomegranate is red.
Amma, I'm satisfied. Totally, I'm satisfied. Okay. The last but not the least, she's looking very, very, very pretty. What's your name?
My name is Nafia.
Nafia. The pronunciation is very difficult. Nafia. Okay. Which class you are studying?
I am studying first class.
She's studying first class. Okay. Which fruit this was?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Okay. Sing about orange.
Orange is orange.
Orange is orange. What is this? Orange fruit. But color is also orange, huh? Which fruit can get the color name? In its name? A fruit low color name kuda vastundi. Which fruit can get the name of the color in its name? Orange. What, Nana?
Orange.
Orange. Sing again. I want to listen again. Nee voice chala baagundi. Sing again.
Orange is red.
Only orange is orange. Very good. Claps all of you. Very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, you gave claps to her, no? That's why she's thanking you. Okay, about all the fruits is over. Now the fruit salad is on the way. Okay, the fruit salad. Are you very eager to eat that?
Vimas garu.
సరే రెడ్ ఏ తెచ్చారు చూపిద్దాం. రెడ్ ఏ తెచ్చారు కదా సార్.
అది నయం.
Now our Grace madam is coming now. Give claps to her.
Okay, children, you learned so much of knowledge today, I think, about the fruits, isn't it?
కూర్చోరు
You learned the vitamins, which is very useful, essential for our lifestyle, and also the things which is the fruits we have to take every day. Your teachers already mentioned you, isn't it? I think everybody enjoyed our fruits day. You have to tell to your parents we enjoyed our fruits day very much. Okay? Once again, happy fruits day.
లేదు క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయండి. మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాను.
So, up to now you learned so many things. So, I want to ask you some questions about the fruits. Okay? I will ask the first, second, third, and also LKG, UKG children. Sir is going to ask you the question. Vilma, come here. He have to answer the question about the fruits. What is this? Okay. What is this? It is also banana. Two kinds of bananas we have, isn't it? How many kinds? Two kinds of. What color is it?
Green.
This is green.
And
This is
Yellow.
how many seeds in this?
how many seeds in this?
Is there any seeds in this fruit?
4 seeds.
Okay. Then come here.
Come here.
Then you get.
Take it. You tell the answer now. Those who tell the answer, the children will get the fruit.
Okay.
If you tell the correct answer, you will get the fruit. Okay.
Next item is
What is that?
ఏం ఏ పాప
iron.
ఈ పాప ఏమైంది అమ్మా
Suma, come here. Come here. Come here. She is from LKC. She is from nursery. What are these? Suma, can you tell? What are these? Can you tell? Anything?
Hold your hands. Hey, Suma.
Go.
Go to your place.
Easier.
Meenakshi, come here. What's her name? Vaishnavi, come here. Can you tell what is this? Grapes. Okay.
How many seeds in this fruit?
How many seeds? Can you guess how many seeds? Have you ever read this one?
Which color is this? How many seeds in this?
Seeds ఉంటాయా? ఎన్ని seeds ఉంటాయి ఒక దాంట్లో?
Okay, clap to her.
Clap to her, clap to her. భలే. విడి.
ఆ కవర్
Grapes, grapes.
Okay, so you want to have your grapes?
Second word.
Now you are eagerly waiting. Who will get the fruit? Who will get the fruit? Huh? Now I am going to call. Vinny, can you tell? Vinny. Okay. Okay. Where is the first class students? Raise your hands. Okay. Girls, raise your hands. Who are the first class students? Okay.
Hey, Anvita.
Amrita, come here. Indu, come here.
అమ్మ చెప్పు.
What is this? What is this color? How many seats? Clap hands.
Sanjana, can she tell me? Sanjana Chakwala?
ఈ పాప
చాందిని.
Okay, Sanjana. Very good. What is your name?
Goa.
Huh? Your name?
Goa.
సంజన.
Okay.
What is this?
ఏంటండి?
బనానా.
Okay. What is the color of the banana? Color of the banana. Senior. Color of the banana.
Yellow color.
Okay.
Have it. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, and just one more time. Okay.
Nafis.
నా ఫేస్
Question is going to Nirmal. Nirmal Karanya, come here. Okay. Can you tell what is the fruit?
My name is.
Okay, your name is okay. Karanya.
My name is Karanya.
What is that fruit? Name of that fruit.
Have you ever seen this fruit?
So, ఎప్పుడైనా fruit ని?
Have you ever eaten?
What is that?
ఎప్పుడైనా తిన్నావా? So what is this? అంత కష్టంగా ఉందా? What is this? Which fruit is this?
ఆ fruit పేరేంటి?
తెలీదా?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Color of the fruit. Color of the fruit.
White.
This is white. What is the color of that fruit?
నేను ఇవ్వలేను. I can't give. Go. Stop. No, this is not white. ఇక్కడ ఎవరన్నా?
Karthik. Who is Karthik? Come here. Can you tell what is the fruit? Very good. Clap him, clap him. Have you ever eaten that fruit? తిన్నావా ఎప్పుడైనా?
How many times?
Too many times. Okay. How many seeds are there? How many seeds are there? 10 seeds are there. What is the color of the fruit?
Green.
Very good. Have it. Have it. Very good. Clap, clap.
Sit down, sit down.
కూర్చోండి రా కూర్చో. ఎస్ సార్.
Italian means Italian.
ఏయ్ కూర్చోండి,
Kavya Sweet
బ్యాక్ కూర్చో.
from the 4th class. And 6th class. Sirisha from 8th class.
Can you see? Come here.
You have a fine question now. You have to answer. And also from 6th class, Kalyani.
ఏయ్ కూర్చో.
For 3 of you, one question is there. For you. What is that?
Started strawberry. Have you ever eaten this? What is this?
Cherries.
Which color?
Red.
Those are in red color.
Those are in red
How
color.
it taste?
Sweet.
Very good.
Have it, have it. Clap to them, clap to them. For both of you, the question. What is that?
Have you ever eaten this? Enko pair kuda untadi.
Another name is also there for this one. Not?
అక్కడ ఉంది.
Okay?
How many seeds in this fruit?
One seed.
Do you know?
Do you know that?
Hey, pillalu. What is this fruit? What is this fruit? No. Alpaca. Okay. It's a plum. Okay. Which color? Red. How many seeds in this fruit? You don't know. Have you ever eaten this fruit? So your sister will tell you how many seeds in this fruit. Okay. After eating this.
Okay, clap to them.
Chef.
But you didn't tell the answer, but you have a banana.
Sirisha, you have to tell me that.
You have to eat that one and tell how many seeds are there. Okay?
Apple.
And you are eagerly waiting for the salad, isn't it? Are you hungry?
ఏయ్
Yes. Okay.
What is this? Orange eye this.
అవును సార్, బనానా అంట సార్ అది.
Wait. I will call one person, then he will tell the answer. Almost.
పడిపోతారు ఒకళ్ళ మీద ఒకళ్ళు. మనకి రెండు మీద పాస్ కొద్ది కొద్ది పెట్టి వెళ్ళి పంపించేసి అవుతుంది.
అక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. అయిపోయింది కదా. తీసుకోండి కూడా. Don't make noise. Can you just name of this fruit?
వాటర్ మిలన్ అయ్యారు.
డెకరేషన్ ఇస్తారండి.
మేడం అన్నా
మోసంబి చెప్పారు నాకు ఈ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి.
పేరు మనకి కూడా కొద్ది కష్టపడుతుంది.
అవి పద్మర్ ఇవి ఫ్రూట్స్ ఎక్కువ పట్టవి అన్ని కూడా
సరిపడి తీసుకెళ్ళండి.
Sit down. మాస్టర్ అది క్విజ్ కండక్ట్ చేయండి. యాపిల్స్ అడగండి. మసాలా ఆ రెండే ఉండిపోయినాయి.
కూర్చోండి. కూర్చోరా. సిట్టు సిట్టు అనుకుంటాను.
Silence, silence. Again, wish you happy Fruits Day. Yes, all of you stand up. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Jana Gana Mana.
సరే స్మైల్ సార్ స్మైల్.
Lord's Prayer.
సార్ స్మైల్ సార్. ఆపేస్తున్నాను సార్.